Hi, this is Marcia, and today we're talking about ChatGPT prompts to help support our gifted and talented students. Hi, everybody. Thank you so much for joining. Today we're going to talk about prompts that you can use inside of AI tools to help support our gifted and talented students. Today I'm going to be focusing in on ChatGPT, but you can use this in all different applications, including Gemini. But what we're going to be talking about is how to differentiate our instruction, how to extend the thinking, apply the skills that we're teaching in the classroom with simple to use prompts to give us those ideas for the classroom teacher. I'm going to start out by having you go to our Blended Learning PD blog, which you can find at the bottom of our website right here. And it's going to go in and it's going to have prompts that are already listed out to help with the gifted and talented students. A prompt is just a way to get what you're looking for quicker and faster. You could Google search all of this, but these AI prompts just make it a little bit more fun, easy, and give you that information right away. So when you have a prompt, you go in and you customize it. You're going to change out the grade level. You're going to change out the content. The prompt that you see on the screen right now is a math prompt. It is asking for real-world applications for the skills that they are learning in a 7th grade math classroom. And then what it does is it breaks it down for you. It goes through like, here are your objectives, here's what your assessments, here's what you're going to do. And it's great to help with that differentiation piece, but also to apply those skills for our students. The next prompt that I'm going to go in and grab, again, I got this from our website, blendedlearningpd.com. I'm going to go in and do it for language arts. So I'm going to go in, I'm going to paste the prompt right into ChatGPT, and it's going to lay out those different ideas as well for a language arts classroom. And it's exploring elements of literature. Now again, I specifically asked the prompt to give it for gifted and talented students at a specific grade level. Therefore, it's going to extend their thinking, not give them more work. I love AI prompts. As an instructional coach, I'm having my teams go in and use this for differentiation for all students, from our struggling students, our level students, and our gifted and talented students. It's just making our research engines a little bit faster. It's not cheating because AI will never replace the teacher. Give AI prompts a try. I know you're going to love them.